Assalamualaikum, merhaba.
Hai guys, jadi hari ini kita mau bikin video tentang true or false. Jadi kemarin kita udah ngepost di Instagram tentang true or false dan banyak banget yang nanya tentang benar apa enggak sih. Dan kali ini it's about me, Beb. If you interest guys, we can continue will be about Musab. Biasanya kan kita tuh kayak agak susah ya nilai diri kita sendiri. Jadi sekarang kita mau jawabnya berdua dari sudut pandang Musab juga. Apakah istri itu seperti ini, apakah istri seperti itu, dan benar nggak sih sama yang kalian pikirkan. Jadi langsung aja ke pertama. Kak Isti suka roti.
True.
True?
True. You love some Turkish bread?
Sedikit. I like pastry. I like pastry.
Yeah.
Next. Takut kalau suami marah. It's true. Tapi kalau misalnya Musab kalau udah marah tuh kayak dia diam sekali kan. Oh.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, that's my favorite and I just you know. Bunting HP ini ya. Next. Kalau lapar tengah malam makan roti bisa bikin kenyang.
False.
Yes, false. Usually
like if you get hungry,
noodles.
Yeah.
Indomie. Seleraku. Next. Pernah muntah pertama kali ganti popok.
False. We really don't feel any disgusting. Yeah, from other baby I don't feel disgusting about poop.
Even I'm happy when I chew poop.
Yeah.
Sekarang Aceh kan pupnya udah kayak orang dewasa gitu kan. Padahal dia belum empasi kan, dia kayak coklat gitu. It smells like coconut, you know, like coconut water. Yeah, it's weird.
When she pooped to my feet, I didn't feel disgusting.
Because no smell, nggak ada berbau waktu itu. But now, smells coconut. Iya. Next, sabunan dulu baru keramas. False.
False.
Karena first hand. I want to make just like more harum. After that sabun. After that I wash my face and I leave my body with sabun. I want to get more harum. Actually this not good because can make your skin dry. But I don't know. I like. Next, yang paling mager mandi. No.
True.
No.
Very true.
My family know that. Sebenarnya nggak malas sih. I'm not malas kan.
If you have to, you will take shower. It's not lazy. But if you don't have to, example, you're not going anywhere, you're just at home, you're lazy. You don't take.
I don't want to shower. Yeah. Like why I have to wash my hair? Next, mager kalau di kampung. I don't know this answer because usually Umi like handle everything. Yes.
Umi really like manager. Like to handle with everything.
Next, pernah sedikit debat waktu pilih baju yang akan Aicha pakai. False.
False.
Jadi kayak ya udah sih kalau Musab mau pakai baju itu udah nggak apa-apa. Lagian juga baju Aicha yang kita beli ya itu yang mau dipakai gitu.
Other couple fighting?
Don't know.
Did you fighting with your husband for clothes? Should be funny.
Next, yang paling sering bangun tengah malam because of Aicha. Yes, of course. Karena breastfeeding.
Baby, impossible to wake up. Of course, we'll wake up for doing milk, also change diapers.
Yeah.
Forget about sleep deep till morning.
Yes. Jadi setiap kali Acel bangun, Isti bangun juga. Kadang Musab bangun ganti diaper. Oh ya, kemarin juga ada pertanyaan di Instagram kayak siapa yang paling sering bangun tengah malam buat gantiin popo Acel gitu. Terus Isti jawab Musab. Mungkin ada beberapa yang kayak agak aneh gitu, tapi sebenarnya dari awal itu kita gantian. Abis itu pas Musab surgery itu full Isti karena Musab nggak bisa gendong kan. Abis itu udah selesai masa pemulihan itu masih barengan. Terus sekarang di Tanjung Pinang Musab yang ganti diaper itu Musab. Tapi kadang Isti juga karena Aicha gain kilogram and I feel like kan kalau di Turki wastafel a bit high Beb. Jadi kayak gampang posisinya. Terus di sini kerannya kan langsung ceboin. Karena kita untuk ganti diaper Aicha itu kita langsung basuh di air yang mengalir. Terus sekarang nih kayak agak ke bawah dan agak jongkok gitu karena kerannya di agak bawah. Jadi agak susah. Terus juga I always thought you have to change diaper now because after 1 year you cannot change anymore. Karena Acil tuh perempuan jadi bakal selalu isti mulai dari 1 tahun ke atas. Tapi kalau misalnya dia laki-laki bakal selalu ngusap setelah 1 tahun ke atas gitu. Next, Kak Isti kangen Indonesia banget. True.
True.
Yes. Jadi after 6 months, I feel enough. Enough. Let's back
Actually,
home.
Kak Isti not miss Indonesia. Kak Isti miss Indonesian food.
I miss everything about Indonesia, but not just about food. Like semuanya itu mudah. Yang paling dikangenin tuh masakan, terus massage itu nggak ada. And I can driving anytime. Kalau di Turki tuh kayak rebutan gitu loh kita. Isti mau nyetir kan dia nggak usah jauh. Ya
Turkey my
elah.
car place use. I don't want you.
Yeah. Terus Beb, Isti bawa ya. Rebutan terus kalau di sini nggak bisa sini. Dan dia ya adalah we like driving kan,
Yes.
kita berdua tuh suka nyetir kan. Nah kalau di sini tuh Musab juga kadang nggak biar aku nyetir. Terus Isti tuh suka nakut-nakutin dia kayak nanti ada polisi loh. Sebenarnya nggak masalah sih, cuman takut aja. Next, benci merah. Hah, it's false.
You like, yeah?
Yes,
Me too like red color. We like red color.
it's normal. Tapi kalau ada pink ya pink aja.
Pink, 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 pink.
Next, duluan ngambil Aichel kalau Aichel nangis tengah malam. Of course, true. Karena Musab tuh ya, dia tuh sleepnya kayak dalam gitu dan dia bisa nggak dengar. Kayak dia nggak sadar apa-apa gitu. Baru Isti
Don't like serious. I bangun, but I can't open my eyes.
ya elah. Jadi ya pasti Isti yang bangun. Tapi ada pernah satu kejadian ya waktu itu Aichel cough, like choking maybe, kayaknya belum sampai kesedak sih, cuman dia batuk. Jadi kan di sini tempat tidur Aichel, di sini tempat tidur kita. Isti tidur di sini dan Musab langsung boom. Copot. Tapi batuknya Aichel tuh masuk ke dalam mimpi guys. Next, Kak Isti yang paling sering ngalah.
Us. Of course.
You also not mengalah.
Usually I'm not gonna hide, don't talk. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
No, sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes, but better than you.
Jadi kita nih sama-sama keras kan.
When we fight, I prefer to don't talk. If you don't talk, the fight will finish usually. If we have problem, let's talk and solve that. But if we just talking for empty thing, example, why you didn't bring this pencil lah? Why I have to bring? Why you didn't take? If something like this, I prefer to don't talk.
Next, Kak Isti bucin.
True, of course. How I think about that? Almost we know each other 5 years, and we dating, we marry, we make a baby together. If I don't love someone, I don't will do this. If I'm not bucin to someone, I don't will do this. Of course, you too like that, I think.
Bucin mean very 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 love.
Your treatment good to me, but I don't feel like you don't love me. And you are less close to me. Even almost 5 years past, we know each other. We didn't bring from each other to talk. Something show you bucin to me. If you love someone very very much, you can do this.
I bucin to you, for example, I don't like you get pain. Sebenarnya kayak mungkin kalau di kalimat tuh kayak lebay gitu kan. But I can feel here. Iya. Musab ada kayak entah itu dia kayak sakit ketusuk atau apa pasti kayak gitu. Next, suka makein Aichel baju pink.
Not 100%, 1,000,000%. she have maybe 2 or 3 clothes, not pink.
Next, paling sering merajuk.
True. About you is 100% true.
Yeah.
You like to maraju.
Not merajuk because usually we talk kan. Kalau marah tuh kita ngomong aja to the point.
If
Nggak ada diem-diem. But sometimes I didn't talk and I just lying. I don't want to talk. And Musab come.
you can't do this, maraju.
Yeah, that's merajuk. Next, like to eat. Yes.
True.
True.
Both of us like to eat kan.
Yes. Next, like to traveling.
True, 100%.
Yes.
For both of us.
I cannot just stay at home.
And we are in Indonesia, you are not like that.
Yes, nggak tahu kenapa ya. Setiap kali misalnya kan dari Pekanbaru terus kalau pulang ke Tanjung Pinang tuh bawaannya mau mager aja di kamar. Terus waktu kemarin juga kerja di Batam, pulang ke Tanjung Pinang pun kayak malas gitu, diajakin temen buat keluar juga kayak malas gitu. I don't know why, Beb. I feel so comfy at home.
I don't like stay at home, especially in Indonesia.
No, I like.
I feel so bored at home.
I just like to go somewhere new, Beb. But in same city like di Tanjung Pinang mau kemana juga kan, mending di kamar aja. Next, nggak bisa makan kalau nggak ada sambal. False.
False.
Setelah 2 tahun di Turki, I can eat without spicy.
Yeah, you little bit crying but you eating.
Yes, walaupun ini enak loh kalau pakai cabai nih. Ini enak loh kalau pakai sambal, tapi ya udah makan aja. Next, yang sering bikin Aichel nangis. False. Musab.
Yes, that's false. Who make her crying? I just make her scream.
Yeah.
We screaming together. Ow! Wow! 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 Also, when I close to her, she directly try to bite my nose. And when I don't give my nose, she angry. Ow! Ah! Like that. Yes.
Next, Kak Isti orangnya gampang akrab. True.
Yes. True.
I don't know, like I like to making friend. Tapi kalau misalnya they give negative vibes, I don't like.
Yes, negative people have to be far from our life.
Yeah. Next, paling posesif ke Aichel. True, I think.
True, of course, every parents.
Yeah, especially this our first kid, first daughter.
Yes. It's very freaking normal. Every parents for their kids very freaking protective.
Yes, even I don't want people kiss her. Karena even me, when I wear makeup, I don't want to kiss her, and I always washing my hand before I touch her. Next, kalau marah milih diam daripada ngoceh dengan kecepatan 120 km per jam.
Usually you quiet, I think.
Yes.
Not talking much.
True that.
If you talking blah 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 blah, it's make me angry too bad. Alhamdulillah, you are not like that person. Turkmen really don't like that.
Next, paling pintar masak dan bersih-bersih rumah.
False.
Hey, which one false?
Lot of
I'm
false.
good at clean. I'm good at cooking.
Yes, but you not doing this like usual. Yeah, you when you cook, you really cook yummy, but you don't want to cook every day.
Because we live at Turkey, Beb. If we live in Indonesia, of course I
You
know.
never really cook.
Because?
Here more easy to buy, you know that. And for 2 people, cook is really not worthy.
Yes.
Even at Turkey also like that. For 2 people, cooking is not worthy.
Apalagi Musab tuh dia sukanya makan, masak langsung makan. Terus kayak makan hari ini ya beda gitu sama makan buat malam. Makan siang sama makan malam beda. Jadi kita kalau mau masak bener-bener yang kayak kita pengen makan ini nih, ya udah kita masak gitu. Next, susah maafin orang.
False. You so easy to forgive people.
Even I'm okay to say sorry if I feel I'm wrong. If I really love this person, even though I'm wrong, I can say sorry. But if I don't care with this person, ya udahlah. Next, nangis kalau lihat drakor.
True. True.
Yeah, sometimes kalau sedih, because I'm easy to cry kan, Beb. Kayak mudah tersentuh gitu. Next, suka kentut di tempat umum. Like
True. 100,000,000.
How do you know?
When she fought and she, you remember I fought baby. At market, maybe let's change. Remember I fought here.
No lah, Beb. I know.
You like that.
No, never at supermarket, Beb. Beb, at outdoor.
Zero lah here. 100%.
Beb, outdoor. If outdoor, yes. If indoor,
Indoor also like that.
masa juga?
No, never. I never.
You forget when we at baby shop. Masa kan tadi kan smelly guys. Jadi, babe, you fart ya. And I say, baby, you fart.
Rarely, but you often. You enjoy that and you enjoy to notice that to me. You get fun, maybe I fun. Why you talk to me?
Next, Mudian. No, ever.
No, not. If you happy, you happy. If you sad, you sad.
Next, I'm so picky.
Yes, 1 million.
How?
percent.
Really how?
True. Example, you wear your hijab and you take picture. If it's ever go, baby, it's not good, it's not good again. You are picky person, babe. You are perfectionist.
Next, easy to get tired. Nowadays, after I have baby.
Maybe you're not rest enough because of
Yes,
that.
karena nggak cukup tidur.
Hmm.
Next, orangnya nggak mau ribet.
True.
Even I never bring my bag. I don't have bag kan? I don't.
Yes.
That means I'm not ribet then. But I keep my stuff too. No, after we have baby, my bag is baby's bag. And also, for example, we already like halfway and we forget something.
We don't want to turn back.
I don't want to turn back. I don't want to ribet.
Me too like that.
Next, suka manja.
True.
How?
Kamu suka manja loh.
Seperti apa?
Aku want to be manja, you come. You manja like kitty.
Next, Samusap takut serangga, Kak Isti pemberani. No, false.
Of course, false lah. A woman.
No, all woman, don't say all woman.
There's a woman not afraid from insect. Can comment under this. Let's see how many woman.
We're not afraid, but we feel jijik, you know. Next, last question. Aikyl lebih mau digendong Bubu. False.
False. She don't choose any person now.
Yes,
She going everybody.
She can open her arm for anybody.
Yes.
But only family ya. Ya udah segitu aja guys buat question hari ini. Terima kasih yang udah nanya. Kalau misalnya ada nggak jawab kita minta maaf. Terima kasih udah nonton.
Sampai ketemu di video-video selanjutnya.
Istimewa Musab.
Jalan-jalan dulu.
Bye.